Hi, my name is Ben, and today we're making a 3D fidget spinner.
Alright, we're going to do a tutorial first on how to do 3D pen. First, you need a 3D pen, your wax, and finally, your filament. Okay, your filament. So, what you want to first do is grab your image that you already printed, for example, like this one, and then you want to cheat this out. Put this here. And put the 3D pen filament onto here. You need to put the wax paper. So you gotta pull the wax paper out. Whatever, wax paper is the recommended. Pull it out, and then you rip it. Doesn't have to be perfect. So you ripped it out. Good job. And now place it right here. And then we have to open our 3D pen right here. 3D pen. Open it. You're supposed to plug this in. Something like this. This depends what you're using. Plug this in. There you go. So you connected it. You gotta put this into here. And it should turn on. And it should say PLA, PLR, whatever. And so you're supposed to put this button right here, turn it on, it can start getting heat. And while that's heating up, I'm going to talk about this. So this 3D pen, this controls the speed. The fastest is this, and the slowest is this one. And I'll teach you later why. I'm going to use this button to eject out the filament, this one to react it, to change your filament. And also, don't touch the nozzle when it's hot. Okay, don't touch this. It's too hot. If you touch it, it's not gonna be fun. So let's just wait for this to be cold. Ready? Boom. There you go. It's warm now. All right. And your first step to do this: grab your filament end like this here. You stick it into the little hole right here. This is where the filament goes. You're supposed to push your button that injects the ink right here. Let it suck in. And let it suck in. And once you see it coming out of the end right here, you know it's in. If I'm to push in the ink. Oh, here it goes up. Okay, it's going out. And up. I like to remove all. Get this off, you can finally start your process. So here, this photo right here. You see this photo? Right here. This photo right here. You need to make sure this is on the line, don't burn it. And what you do is you push this button and once again and shoot it out. And remember this button right here? This thing? Yeah. Change the speed. This is the slowest one you can be right now. This is the fastest one. And it's like a pencil. You have to drag it along like a pencil, like you're drawing. You also, if you don't want to go too high, because if you go too high, you'll smudge it like that. You'll smudge it like this right here. Right here, this is what you will smudge this. And this one, this is when you draw it like a pen. And so, if you can keep changing. You can also, if you're a pro, you can keep changing this while Xing out filament. But I'm really not a pro right now. But so you can do that. You can also even start your filament pane like this. Yeah, you can do that. And if you want to change it, you have just let this take itself out like this. Stop like this. And wait for it to come out. And once you're done, you want to just unplug it. Just unplug it here. And the last step before you put it back is you have to cut this end off where it got melted. Once you did, you finished. Now, that's it. That's all we have to learn for today. So, how about this? Let's get started.
First step,
making the fidget spinner's outline. Second step, add yellow to one end of the points. First step, add purple to one end of the points. Fourth step, add red to the last point on the fidget spinner. Fifth step, add black to thicken the outline of the spinner. Sixth step, add a handle to the back of the fidget spinner to spin it. Lastly, look at your project and be proud of yourself.